Hello everyone, myself Mayank Verma. In this video, we are going to continue the question of this sample paper. Okay, so in this video, we are going to complete section C of this paper. Okay, so let's see 26th question. So let's see. Hanuman wrote the equation of the line A and B drawn in the following graph as y is equals to 1 and 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Is he right? If yes, then write the coordinates of the point intersecting of line A and B. Also find area enclosed between these lines and y-axis. Okay, so let's see the graph first. First of all, this is line A and this is line B. We will write it down like A is parallel to x-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So x-axis, and it is in the above portion. So also in above portion, or you can say positive portion. So therefore, y is equals to 1 can be the equation of line A. Okay, now let's see the equation for line B. So in this question, if we see carefully, there's 2 points are also given. So this point is 3, here it is mentioned, and this point is 2, and this is 1. Okay, so y is equals to 1, you can say, is the equation of this line A. And let's talk about B. In this, we can say that the points which, so you can say 3 comma 0, this point I'm talking about, A, point A, and B point, that is 0 comma 2. If these 2 points are the solution of this given equation, then I can say that this line B represents this equation. Okay, so let's check. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. So x is equals to 3, y is equals to 0. So in that case, LHS will be equals to twice into 3 plus 3 times into 0, it will be 6. So LHS is equals to RHS, right? And if I put x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 2, that means this point, point B, then LHS will be equals to 2 times 0 plus 3 times 2, again 6. So LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. So in this case, I can clearly say that you can write it down here. Yes, Hanuman is correct. Okay, that's it. Now it is saying find the intersection point. So how do we find the intersection point of these two lines? So we can do one thing. See, intersection, two graphs are there, na? So let's put y is equals to 1 in the given equation. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. When y is equals to 1, what I will get 2 times x, or 2x plus 3 times 1 is equals to 6. 2x will be equals to 6 minus 3, x will be equals to 3 by 2. So this, let's say this is M, okay, and let's say this is point N, this point, and this is B. Okay, so M point will be equals to 3 by 2 comma 1. Okay, so this will be the intersection point. Now it is saying that also find the area enclosed by these two lines and y-axis. So which area we are finding? This area. Okay, so this is a triangle, right? So area of triangle YNM will be equals to half into base is what? Base is NM. NM times height is NB. So half times base is NM. NM will be this length, and this length is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 times NB. NB is this. And that would be, see, this point is 1 and this point is 2. So difference, this is 1. Difference is 1. So 1. So you will get 3 by 4 square units. Always remember to put unit at the end of the answer. Okay. So this will be the solution for 26th question. All right. Let's see the next question. 27th. Evaluate 106 to the power 3 by using suitable identity. Now in this, which identity we can use? We can write it down as 100 plus 6 whole cube, and a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. Okay, so it will be, in this case, A will be equals to 100 and B will be equals to 6. Okay, so let's solve this. So 100 cube plus 6 cube plus 3 times 100 times 6, 100 plus 6. So we need to do 100 cube. It will be 6 zeros plus 6 cube is 216 plus 3 6 are 18, 1800 or 1800 times 106. So let's multiply these two things here. So 106 times 18, 8 6 are 48, 8 zeros are 0 plus 4, 8 ones are 8, right? And then 601 as it is, you will get 8, 10, 9, 1. So you will get 6 times 0 here plus 216 plus 190800. These two zeros are also will be written in the end. Okay, so let's see. So 216, I can write it down here for quick calculation. 0080 9191. So let's add them. 6 1 10 1 9 1 1. So the final result will be 11911016. This will be the answer. Okay, let's see the next question. In the next question, it is saying evaluate this value. 8.73 times 8.73 times 8.73 plus 4.27 times 4.27 times 4.27 divided by this. 8.73 times 8.73 minus 8.73 times 4.27. 27 plus 4.27 times 4.27. This is the question. So we need to solve this with using some identities. So if I say, let's say A is equals to 8.73, let A is equals to 8.73 and B is equals to 4.27. So if we see convert this in this, so first term is A cube plus second is B cube divided by A square minus AB plus B square. So remember which identity we can use here. We can use this identity that A cube plus B cube is equals to A plus B times A square minus AB plus B square. Okay, so if I take this thing on the other side and divide this thing with this LHS, so I will get A cube plus B cube divided by A square minus AB plus B square as A plus B. So A plus B will be the answer here. So what we need to do? We just need to add them. So the answer will be 8.73 plus 4.27. So that would be 13. 13 will be the final answer. Okay. Now let's see the next question. B part. It says x minus y is equals to 6 and xy is given as 88. I need to find the value of x cube minus y cube. So if we see the identity, we know that a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So what can we do? We don't know a square or b square. In case of this question, x square and y square, we don't know. So we can use the identity, this identity that a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to a plus b whole square. And also this identity a square plus b square minus 2ab is equals to a minus b whole square. So in this case, I only have x minus y with me, right? So what I can do, I can add and subtract here, add and subtract my 2ab. Okay, so here I just added 2ab and subtracted 2ab in the bracket itself. So a cube minus b cube will become a minus b times this is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this ab and this 2ab will become 3ab. Okay, now this thing will become this identity. So I can write it down as a minus b times a minus b whole square plus 3ab. So by using this identity, I can write it down as x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y times x minus y whole square plus 3xy. Okay. Now I just need to put the value in it, which is given in the question. So 6 times 6 square plus 3 into 88. Okay, so what we will get here, 6 times 36 plus 3 times 88. 3 is a 24, 3 is a 24 plus 2, 6, 4. And 264 plus 36 will be equals to 300. Okay, so 6 into 300, it is 1800. So 1800 will be the final answer. Okay, is that clear? Now, let's see the next question. In the next question, it is saying that in the given figure, AOB is 90 degrees and ABC is 30 degrees. Find the measure of CAO. Okay, so we can do first, we will draw the diagram. Okay, now the center of this is given as O, and this is the diagram given to us, AB, and this is C, and angle O, this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees, and this angle is given as 30 degrees. Also, we need to find CAO. So this angle X, we need to find. So let's say this angle is 1, let's say, and this angle, let's say angle 2. So what is given to us? O is center of circle, and angle AOB is 90 degrees and angle ABC is 30 degrees. To find what we need to find, that is angle CAO, or you can say angle X. Okay, so here's the solution. So what we will do first, I will say that angle 1 is equals to half of angle AOB. What should be the reason of that? Angle made at the circumference of the circle across the same arc, you can say, is half of the angle at the center. So you can say angle at circumference of a circle along same arc is half of angle, or you can say central angle. Central angle. Okay, this will be the reason for that. So angle 1 will be equals to 45 degrees, which we get to know. Now the second thing, we also know that in triangle A OAB, we know that OA is equals to OB. Reason, radius of the circle. So radius of the circle. Radius you can say directly. Now this is the radius of the circle. Now what can I do next? So can I say that angle 2 will be equals to, or you can say angle 2 and angle OBA. I'm talking about this angle. OBA will be equals to, this is OBA, will be equals to 45 degrees, because one angle is 90 degree, angle O is 90 degree, so these two angles should be equal. So property of isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle. You can write it in the short form. Now, see, angle 2 we get to know. Now I'm talking about, let's say this is M, this point is M, intersection point. Now I'm saying in triangle C, not this, AMB. I'm talking about this triangle. Okay, this triangle I'm talking about. I'm saying angle Angle 2 plus 30 degree will be equals to this angle, yes or no? Let's say angle 3, this angle 3 will be equals to angle 3, right? So exterior angle property, you can say exterior, or we can write it down fully. That is sum of two interior angles is equals to third exterior angle. Okay, so by using this, angle 3 will be equals to 45 plus 30 degree. That is what it will be, 75 degrees. Okay, now next, what can we say in the next? We can say that in triangle CMA, CMA, I know that angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle x will be 180 degree, and the reason behind it is angle sum property, right? So we will follow that. Angle 1 is given as, we just find here from here, that is 45 degrees. Angle 3 we also know, that is 75 degrees, and angle x we need to find, which is equals to 180 degree, right? So this means angle x will be equals to 180 degree. 45 plus 75, it will be 120 minus 120, that will be equals to 60 degrees. So angle x will be 60 degrees. So this is the answer. Okay, now let's see the next question. In the next question, let me erase this first. Okay, now the next question is, two lines are respectively perpendicular to two parallel lines. Two lines are respectively perpendicular to two parallel lines, show that they are parallel to each other. Okay, so in this question, let's say these two lines L and M are parallel to each other, and I can say that this is a P and Q, let's say. So angle line P is parallel perpendicular to L, and Q is perpendicular to M. So given, what is given to us here, that L is parallel to M. First thing, then P is perpendicular to L and Q is perpendicular to M. And to prove, what we need to prove? We need to prove that P is parallel to Q. Okay, so what we can do here, solution. In solution, what we will say, see, if this line is parallel to this, let's say this is angle 1 and this is, let's name A, B, C, D. These are the intersection point, and this angle 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, so as L is parallel to M, angle 3 plus angle 1 will be equals to 180 degrees, and angle 4 plus angle 2 is also 180 degrees. Reason, co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Now, we know that angle 3 is 90 degree and angle 4 is 90 degree, right? So, can I say that angle 1 and is equals to 90 degrees? Or you can directly say like this, that angle 1 is equals to angle 2 is equals to angle 3 is equals to angle 4. All will be 90 degree. Okay. So therefore, ABCD is rectangle. This implies that P should be parallel to Q. Hence proved. This is the property of a rectangle, that opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay. So therefore, this will be the answer. Let's see the next question. Hmm. In the next question, it is saying that in the given figure, two straight lines are given. So let's draw this diagram first. And this is P, this is Q, R, S, and this point is O. This point is O. This is O, T. This is 75 degrees. 4B, B, 2C, and A. So we need to find A, B, C, and this is given to us. So what should be the answer? I can say that this angle plus this angle plus this angle should be 180 degree supplementary angle. So as solution will be as ROS is straight line, I can say 4B plus 75 degrees plus B is equals to 180 degree. That will be supplementary angles. Angles. Now 5B plus 75 degrees will be 180 degrees. So that means 5B will be equals to 180 minus 75, that is 105 degrees. Okay, that is 5B. So B will be equals to 105 by 5, that is 21. So angle B is 21 degrees. This we know. Now, can I also say that 75 plus B is equals to 2C? Reason, vertical opposite angles. So 75 plus 21 is equals to 2C. So what we will get here? We will get 75 plus 21, that is 96 is equals to 2C. C will be equals to 96 by 2. So 4 and 8, 48. So angle C will be 48 degrees. Also, 4B is equals to A. Again, vertical opposite angles. So A will be equals to 4 into 21. That is 84 degrees. So A will be 84 degrees. So A, B, C we will find out by using these conditions and rules. Okay. So let me erase this. Now, 30th question. In 30th question, what it is saying that in a triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. That means this side equals to this. This is AD. And show that ABC is isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. Okay. So what is given to us? That AD is perpendicular to BC and also BD is equals to DC because it is a bisector also. What we need to prove? We need to prove that AB is equals to AC. That's it. So solution. In triangle ADB, ADB and triangle ADC, and can I say that BD is equals to CD because it is given to us. Also, AD is equals to AD, that is common. And third, that is angle ADB is equals to angle ADC. This angle is equals to this angle. Both 90 degree. Both 90 degrees. So which rule? This is the side angle side rule, right? So side angle and side rule. So by SAS congruency rule, I can say that triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. And by CPCT is what? It is corresponding part of congruent triangles. So I can say that AB is equals to AC. CPCT. Hence proved, we are able to prove that this ABC is an isosceles triangle because this side is equals to this side. Got it? Okay. Let me erase this. 31st question. The ratio of curved surface area and total surface area of right circular cylinder is 1 is to 2. This is given to us, and let's make the diagram as well. This is right circular cylinder. Height is h and the radius is r. And also total surface area is given as 2464 centimeter square. Okay, now let's put TSA in this equation. So you will get CSA up is equals to 1 by 2 times TSA, which is equals to 1 by 2 times 2464. So if I cut it on table 2, I will get 1232 centimeter square. So this is my curved surface area. This thing we are able to find. Next, let's put the original value here. We know curved surface and total surface. Curved surface area is of a of a cylinder is 2 pi r into h. And total surface area of this is 2 pi r plus h. Right? So let's divide it. Let's divide that. So according to question, 2 pi r h upon 2 pi r plus h is equals to 1 by 2. So 2 pi r also can get cancelled out. Cross multiply we will do. So this will becomes 2h is equals to r plus h. 2h minus h is equals to r. H is equals to r. So now I can uh, write it down that my CSA is already given as 1232. So 2 pi RH is equals to 1232. 2 into 22 by 7 into R into R, because we need to find the radius now. So I will convert H into R is equals to 1232. So you can say R square is equals to 1232 times 7 upon 2 into 22. I just did the cross multiplication here. Now you will cut this on table 2. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, and 2 6 are 12. And 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 0, 8. And we can cut it on table of 11. 11 ones are 11, and this will be 11 twos are 22, and 11 eights are 88. So we need to multiply 28 and 7. So 7 eights are 56, 7 twos are 14, plus 5 will be uh, 14 plus 5, 196. Okay, so we get this thing that R square is equals to 196, which makes R as 14 centimeter. Because 14 square is 196, na? You can take square root on both sides. So you will get 14 as your answer. Okay, all right. Now this is the last question of this video. Hope you understand all the questions. If you have any doubt in any question, please do comment so that I can help you. So have a nice day. We will see in the next video.